Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Dylan here. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down below and you'll get notified all my new videos. And for today's video, magbahay-bahayan tayo. Kasi we bought some stuff for our little sweetheart. So yan ang gagawin natin. Magbahay-bahayan. So, samahan nyo kami ni Mister na iset up yung aming pinamili para sa aming little sweetheart. James been spoiled today. Daddy bought him a swing, but the slide is gonna be here on Friday, honey, you said? We ordered it. The slide, and then it's not ready until Friday, so ito lang yung dala namin. It's got double swing with a seesaw, and then we bought him a tent as well, a little tent. We're gonna do a camping night, ay? Ito siya yung kanyang tent. That's how it look like. Are you happy na?
Look at that seat.
Happy na? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, that's your swing. Look. Wow. You like it? Shall we put up the tent now? Yeah? You finished helping Daddy? He was helping his daddy earlier though. But I'm a bit late because I was baking some cake inside. So I'm a bit late vlogging. And this is my job. I'm good putting up the tent. Ayan na yung ating tent.
Oh, look. Wait.
Hi?
You need to go on.
Yeah.
Oh, it's still below.
And that's inside. Kasya yung ano, is it queen size bed, honey?
Right, there it is. So yeah,
Double size.
I would say that.
James! We have a story place. It's hot. Yeah. Ayan. I miss camping. Mommy and James gonna have a camping every day. Wow! Hey, you like it? Yeah? You gonna say thank you to Daddy? Hi? It's a small version of our old tent. Wow! Good boy. Do you like it? Maybe we're gonna put a, what is it dito? We got the airbed, honey, didn't we? Lagyan namin ng airbed. Or maybe it's just a mat, isn't it? We're gonna have a picnic here every day. Me and Baba. Look. Tapos yung swing, tinanggal niya yung isa. Supposed to be 2. Tinanggal yung isa. At saka yung ano, seesaw. So it looks small now. Ayan. Si James tuwang-tuwa na sa kanyang ano. Somebody's doing camping already. Hi? You doing your camping already? Hiya, Mr. Camper. Hiya. You're a tall boy.
Kom sailing bara om.
Hiya. Lion, are you gonna bring your pillow? Bless him. Ito pala guys, yung cake na ginawa ko. Nabawasan na to siya kasi binigyan ko yung friend ni mom ni in-law ko. So yun, tingnan nyo, really looks moist. Yung mga black, that's the pecan nuts. So ayan yung ginawa kong cake kanina. Kalimutan ko pala ipakita sa inyo earlier na hindi pa siya nabawasan. Nilagay ko lang sa fridge. Malaki siya guys. Para yung ano niya, yung frosting nice and thick. So ayan yung ating cake. Bago ko i-end tong video na to guys, I just want to shout out kasi may nagpapa-shout out. Si pasensya na yung ingay, nanonood si Habi ng palabas. Shout out kay Sis Irene Nicer. Then shout out kay V and Kiss Sisters TV. Please support her. Kababayan ko siya at friend siya ni mama ko. Shout out sa iyo. Baguhan lang siya sa YouTube, si V and K Sister. Nasa ano sila, Australia. And then, shout out kay Opa Norms TV. Ito yung kanyang channel. Salamat sa inyong pagpa-shout out and hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next one. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and comment down below kung gusto niyo mag-shout out next time. And please stay safe everyone. Bye for now. Mwah.